So today we're gonna see these hexagonal bits, 10 different dimensions. Let's see. Okay. So what's written? S2 560. So it's an imperial size. All right. 332. So which one is the smallest? 564. I think it's the smallest. So here you have these different bits which you need to order. It will be better if they provide us with a container, I don't know, to organize it, because this way you have to order and search every time a bit you're looking for. Like perhaps maybe one of these will be better, so you can use to contain it in a place. Yeah, I don't know. It's pretty good, but actually filthy. Yeah, that's it.